Today I learned something very interesting. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. And I think this should be the message to all the graduates who were receiving their certificates today. But I think this is a message to those that are also still coming through, striving to one day receive their certificates. Community development is very important, and therefore community development, to be recognized as a profession, is something that will encourage all community workers to be recognized by their communities. But first and foremost, they need to recognize themselves by giving the time, by getting up, showing up and getting the job done, because that way they will receive their certification. And when they walk down the streets in their own communities, they will be able to show, we did learn, we did get something, and now we've come back to share with the community. At this point, I'd like to thank HWSETA in particular for partnering with the Department of Social Development and making sure that these graduates do graduate today, and wishing them all the best in their future.